you're a professional?
Are you?
That's it, Clark. Show him who's boss.
Oh, we're all in this together.
Hello Griswold gang, and welcome back to the Clark Griswold YouTube channel. I am Mr. Clark Griswold. Thank you guys for being here today and joining me for the video today. If you are new to the channel or new to trading the Strat, then welcome to you guys as well. We're about to change the way that you guys trade in the stock market. If you haven't done so yet, go down below, click that subscribe button, and then hit that bell. That's the important part. That bell gives you the notifications for when I send out videos just like this one every single day. Okay, guys, this is our weekly swing video for the week of June 27th. I put out videos like this every week. I put out daily setups every single day. Okay, I've got over 200 plus videos for you guys to learn off of, including trading reviews, Sarah Strat Sniper's 50% rule, how to draw broadening formation, the Strat setups, how to get into a trade, how to exit a trade, how to manage your trade, what these candlestick numbers mean. Okay, the list goes on and on and on, and I got a ton of different strategies that you guys can trade off of, okay? So go check out those videos. They're set up in playlists on the YouTube channel. Okay, you can also follow me on Twitter at Mr. Clark Griswold. Give me a follow there. Ask me questions there. You can DM, you can comment, ask the questions that you need answers to. I will help you guys out with them, okay? And if I can't, I will push you in the right direction to where you can get an answer for your question. In saying all that, guys, I really do enjoy and love doing these videos for you guys. I really do. I like helping you guys out, and I want to see you guys succeed. And I love getting the messages that you guys DM me or put on the YouTube channel in the comment section telling me that, you know, you guys are winning on trades and you were about to quit, and then you found the channel, and now you're back on the bandwagon and back trading. And I love to see those messages of success and you guys doing really well. And I love keeping this stuff free for you guys. So in order to keep this free, I'm going to ask you guys to do one simple thing, and I know it sucks. Nobody likes doing it. If you can let those 15-second, 30-second ads just play through, that allows the advertisers to keep this content free. It keeps your money in your pockets. There's no charge for a Discord or a course. We keep all of this information free, which it should be, okay? So, like I said, I know it sucks, but just watch those little 15-second ads. It doesn't take that much time. And let the advertisers pay for your guys' education on the Strat and in the stock market, okay? So let's get started on this weekly video for the weekly swings on June 27th. And there's about 16 plays on here that we're going to rip through, okay? So the first one we've got is AAL. It's American Airlines inside bar, which does not break the high or the low of the previous candle. As you see here, it stays within the range. And as I always tell you guys, to anybody who's been with me for a while, you know those inside bars, I look at them as a spring. And a spring going into a tightening range and getting tighter, 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 and then exploding to one side or the other. And we can go back and look on any inside bar, and for the majority of them, we get really nice bounces off of them, okay? So this ended up being an outside bar, but we did come down on it originally. Here's another outside bar off of this one, but off of this inside bar, we had a nice run down. Okay, off of this inside bar, we have a nice run up. Inside bar, nice run to the upside. Okay, two more inside bars with really, really great runs to the upside. Okay, one more here, just off to the left of the screen. Another one there. So they do happen, and they happen on all time frames, and you can play them on all time frames. Just you have to be a little quicker when you're on the smaller time frames. Anyways, we have this inside bar on AAL. We can take calls at 13.96, puts at 12.58. And then our targets are just, if we trend to the downside, at the bottom of the wicks, or to the upside, we're at the top of the wicks of the preceding candles. Okay, so I don't know what this week is going to be until we open up on Monday, but we're looking for this to trend down based on the month, quarterly, and yearly all being red. I would like for this to come down. It makes the trade more probable with full time frame continuity to the downside. Okay, AMC. So AMC, we went over this on our daily watch list because we have these two yellow lines which represent an inside bar on the daily. So we can go to the daily chart. There's our inside bar there. We'll go back to the weekly. If we break to the downside on the daily, our first trigger on the daily, our first target on the daily is our trigger for the weekly. So we can look for this to be a 2 up, 2 down reversal on AMC if the day trends down on Monday. Airbnb is up next. Airbnb has an inside bar, hammer candle. We can take calls to the upside at 104.89 and puts at 93.02. This purple line here is a 2-day chart line. So again, a hammer candle on the daily, and if we trigger on the 2-day, our first target is the trigger on the weekly. Okay. Comcast or CMCSA inside bar, hammer candle, calls at 39.60, puts at 38.21. We've tagged the bottom of this broadening formation. Let's see what happens on Monday with Comcast. Cisco, CSCO, inside bar, calls at 44.28, puts at 42.72. Ford Motor Company, ticker symbol F, inside bar on Ford. We can take calls at $12.12, puts at $11.21 on Ford. Facebook or Meta, META, 2 down green, hammer candle. So we're going to look for a 2 down, 2 up reversal. We can look for calls at 170.16, and as you can see, we are at the bottom of this broadening formation. Okay, we went from a lower low to a higher high to a lower low to a higher high to a lower low, came back up here, and then back down to a lower low on Facebook. GME is up next. That's GameStop. We also have a daily trigger on GME. And if we zoom in, there it is, this inside bar of these 2 yellow lines. So again, our trigger to the downside, we're looking for a 2 up, 2 down on GameStop on the week. 131.56 is our trigger. JP Morgan has a 2 down, finish green, hammer candle, bottom of a broadening formation again. If we go back and look all the way back to there, and we can look for calls on JPM at 117.82. Macy's is a ticker symbol M, 2 down green hammer candle, bottom of a broadening formation, calls at 21.05. MRVL, that's Marvel Technology, inside bar on Marvel. We can take calls at 49.05, puts at 45.19. MU is Micron. I told you guys we're going to fly through these. We're not going to take too much time on them. Micron has a inside bar. We can take calls at 59 bucks, puts at 54.96. I will tell you guys, when I take plays on the weekly, which I don't do very often, I like to stick to my day trades, but if I do a weekly swing trade, I'm getting 2 weeks out, okay? And that's how I do it. And I still get just outside the money. So, for example, if we're looking at MU and we trigger to the upside with calls at 59 bucks, I'm either taking that strike at 59 or 59.50. And to the downside at 54.96, I'm either taking it at 54.50, 55, or 54, one of those three. Okay, Orcl, ORCL, has an inside bar, hammer candle, calls at 70.78 and puts at 66.31. XEL on the weekly has a big inside bar here. We can look for calls on XEL at 68.71, puts at 63.04. 70. INTC is Intel Corp. Inside bar on Intel Corp. So a lot of inside bars on the weeklies. Make sure we pay attention to those, and hopefully they break out of those coming into the week of the 27th. Calls at 38.64, puts at 36.91. XLU as an inside bar and another big inside bar. We can take calls at 69.15, puts at 64.42. Guys, that's the list. I told you I was going to keep this short. It was not long. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Enjoy your trading week next week. I wish you guys good luck. I wish you guys green. Make sure you're following along on Twitter. Subscribe down below. Watch the ads when you're watching the videos, please. And we will see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.